back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of four sorts of boxes out there, monthly, seasonal, product reviews, unboxings of products, skincare, a little bit of travel and adventure videos at times, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It's free. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I appreciate you guys so much. So with that said, guys, I have a new unboxing to share in this video. It's going to be my little mascara club. Woohoo! So this the name just says it all, right? So it's a mascara subscription bag, because it's not a box. So the monthly is $12, but I will leave you guys all the links and all the details you need to know about this unboxing that I will be unboxing with you guys pretty soon, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe. So with that said, guys, so I will tell you guys a little bit of information about the mascara, the little mascara club. So it says here so it says length definition formula, over 90% natural ingredients, removed with just water, and it's seriously smudge proof. So it's monthly is $12. You can still get it for $15 without the subscription. So that's kind of cool too. I like that. So the way you sign up, you go to the website. They have step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 1, I think you choose your tell you guys right now, you choose your formula, and step 2 you choose your add-ons, and step 3 you choose your happy. So with that said, guys, I will go ahead and let's get started. Let's get this party started. So that's what it looks inside. Woo-hoo. Okay, first thing that I take out the box is going to be this right here. And this is, it says here, the best little mascara ever. Is the volume is curl. It's a curl formula. So let's go ahead and open it so I can show you guys. So that's what it looks like. Okay. That's what the one looks like. It's really, I love how it's shaped. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's like a wave, so it's like super cool. I'm not gonna put it on because I already have some on. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so that's my first item. I don't know if there's an information part in here. I don't really see anything. Okay, I do see something. Let's see what this is. Things to know and do. It's just telling you like your first use, application, test, our stain power, removal. So it's just instructions. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and keep going. So there's 2 erase reusable mascara remover wipes. So we have 2. They're nice and soft. Super nice and soft, and I like that they're black, because imagine like if they send you a neutral color, I don't know, maybe a beige or a pink, it's gonna turn black anyways. So that's pretty cool that it's black. Next we have, it says little box of happy. So we have a small box here. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a fortune cookie. So cute. It's a fortune cookie. Nice. That's adorable. Okay, next up we have a fresh mascara remover, micellar water with cucumber. And it's cruelty free, 3.4 ounces of this. So it's pretty big. If I can open it, it will be so nice to show you guys, right? Let's see. I hate when I can't open something, because then the box breaks and I don't like it. Okay. My goodness, it's like super hard to break. Where's my box opener? So I can just, okay, I'm gonna have to, oh, there we go. Okay, so, ooh, so it says the same thing, fresh mascara remover. Look, guys, so that's what it looks. So it's clear, and it's a big bottle. So let's see what else I have. I have one more item in here, and it's a pouch. It says, but first mascara. Oh, how adorable. Super cute. And it's pretty big. Oh, and it's nice because it has plastic inside. So if anything spills, it's not going to get ruined. Because it has the plastic inside. I don't know if you guys can. There we go. So I received the pouch, the mascara remover, which I'm just gonna throw right in there, the two mascara makeup removers. They're not makeup removers. The two mascara reusable mascara remover. I guess you can use them. And I received the mascara, and I received my fortune cookie. But all my three items, look how super cute. So everything fits in here. You can just throw this in your purse or whatever, because it's not gonna get ruined because of the plastic inside. So that's totally cool. So this is it for my unboxing, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little mascara club, and I will leave you guys all the details and all the information on the description down below, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe. With that said, thank you guys, and I will see you back with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.